Good morning. Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Bach in Bach's Kitchen. Today we're going to make sweet and sour seafood soup. It's a Vietnamese soup that is very fresh that I think you're going to enjoy. Ingredients for this Vietnamese sweet and sour seafood soup are pineapple, tomatoes, onions, lemongrass, hot Thai chili pepper, green onions, cilantro, and today I have fennel that I have it out in the garden. If you don't have fennel, you can substitute it with celery, and for the fennel leaves, that gives it the licorice taste to it, you can substitute using dill. Some shrimp, any kind of fish that you like, fish sauce, the concentrate cooking tamarind, which is the sour base for the soup. You can buy this at the Asian grocery store, and some oil. First thing we do is we slice up all the vegetables. So you heat up about a tablespoon of coconut oil, or any kind of oil you wish. Saute the onions. Add in the fennel. The lemongrass, the pineapple, and tomatoes, season with a little salt. Add in chopped up Thai pepper, two tablespoons of the concentrated tamarind sauce, about a tablespoon of fish sauce, add water, that's about a quart of water. Bring the soup to a boil and simmer for about 5 minutes, and season. For me, if it is not sweet enough, I add some coconut sugar, and if you want it spicier, add more Thai pepper or cayenne pepper into it. Now that it's come to a boil, I add my shrimp. I like to leave the tail, the skin, the shell on, because it is good for you to have some shrimp shell, because that's natural calcium for you there. And the fish, I just cut it into 1-inch cube. This is just a white fish that I have in the refrigerator. For the proper one, I like to use catfish. This is almost done. Like all Vietnamese soup, we always top it off with some sliced cilantro and green onions. So that's it. You will serve this dish over rice. If you don't like the shrimp shell, just peel the shell out before you eat it. If you would like to get the recipe, go down to the description section and I have provided you the recipe. If you have enjoyed this video, please subscribe so that you can get notified when I make a new video. Thank you and goodbye. Bon appétit.